ChatGPT has exploded on the scene, amassing over 1 million users in its first 5 days. This comes from the team at OpenAI with CEO Sam Altman and renowned billionaire backers such as Bill Gates with Microsoft and even Elon Musk. Artificial intelligence is really going to shake things up here. Watch out, Google, Microsoft own Microsoft Bing, the search engine, and when you've got backers like that over at OpenAI, I think we can expect some ChatGPT integration with Bing very soon. Now the AI revolution is happening right in front of our eyes. I think this is going to change a load of jobs, the way people do things, and what AI can take over from humans. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 examples of jobs that could be destroyed by ChatGPT and other forms of artificial intelligence. So here we are on the ChatGPT interface, and I'm going to insert a live example to show you how AI can do a better job than 99% of customer service assistants. So are we on the cusp of saying goodbye to customer service assistants forever, just like Brian Armstrong at Coinbase did over this summer?
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Well, let's take a little look here with a live example. Typically, customer service is done online nowadays with a help desk, and in some circumstances, you're lucky to get a response within the first few hours. But if you leverage AI technology using the APIs here at OpenAI, well, you could have your own AI customer service assistant that can accurately respond to request queries. So let's utilize the exchange example here. Tell a customer the withdrawals are pending and will be confirmed in 3 working days. So it populates an answer here for us very quickly. Sure, here's a sample message that you could use for the customers. Thank you for your withdrawal request. Please be advised that all withdrawal requests are reviewed and processed within 3 business days. Your request is currently pending and being reviewed by our team. We will send a confirmation email once your withdrawal has been processed. Thank you for your patience and understanding. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Now that is as good as any response that I've received personally, and that fired back in just 30 seconds. The cost of doing these searches on OpenAI is a couple of cents, so you can imagine the streamlining this can achieve for many businesses. Example 2, let's have a look at junior software engineers or someone brand new to software development.
Not another one? Oh, for God's sake, I can't stand this.
Now this is the type of job that commands quite a good salary, but for some basic functionality, maybe at a junior level, ChatGPT can be very useful. So let's see what response we get to this query. Show me the code for a decentralized exchange built on Ethereum. Does it know the coding language? Let's find out. So here's an example of code for a decentralized exchange, i.e. a DEX. Now we can see straight out the gate here, program is Solidity. This is the Ethereum smart contract language. And so we're off to a very good start here. You can see that this is actually populating some code live for us. And top right, you can see the copy code button up there as well. So I'm gonna let this run and see what it churns out.
1 hour later.
So this churned out a rather detailed bit of code here. I'm really impressed with this one. You can copy and paste it directly from ChatGPT. And I think by inserting the word Ethereum at the end there, it's even taken things into consideration like the Ethereum gas cost, checking the user's balance, for example. It also describes how to insert a buy order, a sell order, how to add new token contracts, and a lot more here. So this really does show us in just a few seconds how much detail this can spit out and how this could save developers a ton of time. Now it's worth mentioning that ChatGPT has an information database that goes back to 2021. So for anything brand new, for example, a new smart contract programming language, it's simply not going to know about. But when you've got something like Ethereum that's been around for a long time, there will be a whole host of information that the AI can tap into. The more information that's there, the more accurate the results you're going to get back. So shall we do one more example and see another job that could be destroyed by AI?
I've got nothing left.
So this time, how about blog posters? I really think these guys could be made obsolete. Unless you've got a renowned name like an author or have a particular flair around your writing style, I think the generic blog poster days are very much numbered. And especially those second tier news sites that typically just post up a picture and about a paragraph of text, this can easily be taken over by ChatGPT. So let's set up a brand new Bitcoin-based blog. Let's get ChatGPT to write a 300-word blog post on the benefits of Bitcoin. So very promptly, that has churned out 6 good points there about the benefits of Bitcoin. Gives us a bit of a backstory here around the creation and Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator. I could easily bang out a blog post here stating the 6 main benefits of Bitcoin in today's world and have a post churned out within around 30 seconds. So on a purely informational side of things, ChatGPT and AI can really start taking over the content industry, but what it can't do is add personality and flair to things. So this is only scratching the surface of what this program can actually do. If you want to see a more detailed explanation of the various features of ChatGPT, check out this video on screen for you right now. Make sure to drop me a comment down below, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.